Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to connect your laptop to your smart TV using the HDMI cable. You have to take this HDMI cable like this, connect one end to your TV and one end to your laptop. So connect it. So here is a plug. So let's plug to laptop. So plugged here. It is plugged. Now in your TV, go to the input and select the HDMI cable. So now you can see laptop has been mirroring. If you didn't see the display, so in your laptop, right click on desktop and here go to the display settings. Here go to the display regulation and change the display regulation. And here you can change display types. Here you can see. If you want to stop the mirroring in your TV remote, click on back button. That's it. So this is a simple way to how to connect laptop to your smart TV using HDMI cable. So thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.